Hello, good day, sir. So here I'm trying to give you a brief idea how to deal with the Google Classroom. So first of all, we need to find out the Google Classroom. So classroom.google.com. In this website, we can log in directly. So there are two options. If we have academic email address, so that would be easy for us to use. That will directly go to the Google Classroom without any hassle. And if you are using the personal one, so that might be another issue to confirm with the Google about the privacy. So anyway, so I'm using the university email address. So in that case, you can directly access to the Google Classroom. So I already opened three classrooms for three individual courses or topics. um, Here you can do what you can create a new class. For an example, here if I want to create a new classroom, so I can put the name, section, subjects, room number. These are like metaphoric room number, imaginary, so you can do one, and then you can create the classroom. So this is the easiest way to create the classroom. Once you create the classroom, so I just create the classroom for this thesis discussion. So I'll try to show you the show you the informations how we can conduct the classes, online classes on this. So in this the first page you will have after having the classroom, that is the streaming page. Say here you will get some informations like notice or some topic discussions, open discussions you can do in this part. So this is kind of open discussion forum. So to have classwork, we need to click into this classwork tab. Here we can get the main content of the classwork. So by clicking here, we can add the assignment, quiz, questions. Like we can also use the uh, uh, Google Drive here to attach the informations or lecture note or slides. So since the main content of this tutorial is to give you the idea how to conduct the video session, so I'm skipping this part. I'll directly go to the video class sessions. So to have the video class sessions, we need to go to the Google Calendar first. So I'm going to the open new tab here. So here you can see these are this is my Google Calendar according to my email address. So based on this email address, you will have a new Google Calendar. Maybe you have already. So from this Google Calendar, you can set your class timing, like when you want to have the class. Suppose I already did one, but okay, I'm going to do it again. So I delete it. So maybe tomorrow from 8 or maybe okay, from 7 to 8 I'm going to take classes. One not class, actually the discussion, thesis discussions. So from this 1 hour, so I add here title that online thesis discussion. Okay, and I put the specific time here. So on that particular time, student will get the notice as well. Okay, and here you can add the guest. Actually you can add the people who can join these sessions. And most importantly, you need to explore the more options if you want to um, open this conference for the video conferencing. So here specifically in the add conferencing, you need to select the hangout meets. So here you can see the participants on this conference can join by this join hangouts meet. So if anybody wants to join by the mobile phone or the Android uh, service providing users, so that time they have to install this meet.google.com applications. So no, you can select the notifications that okay before 10 minutes before you can send the notifications. So there are so many other options you can explore and edit it. So for this initial case, I'm just trying to stop here. So okay, I save this one. So now here you can see Here is a online thesis discussion on this particular calendar. So now the question is that how we can open this conference. So you just make a click here, and once you click here, you'll find this join the Hangouts meeting. So here you click here, join the Hangout meeting, and you will find the options of this. So you can turn on camera, you can check your microphone. So and finally you can click this one, join the session. So here you can see this session already opened, no participants. By clicking this icon you can see the participants, so only me is here. So you can add people. So there are a few options to add people. You can add the people by your email address. So okay, first of all I'm going to show these ones. Suppose these are the student list under my thesis supervisory, so I'm going to invite them with the email address. So have a look. I paste their email address. So I'll just click send invitations. So these people will get the invitation now. So since they're trying to join the session, so in the meanwhile I'm showing you there is another way to join the classwork. So you can click in the people tab. So in the people tab you can see there are another option that you can add the students. So here you can invite the students again through name or email ID if you already have it. Otherwise student can invite with this. This is the class code they are saying. So if student log in to the Google Classroom and if they want to join, so what would be their options? Here in the fresh page of Google Classroom, classroom.google.com, in this fresh page the student will get the icon or tab like this. They can join or create class here. So for a student they will definitely click this as a join classroom. So they paste the code here. So what will be the code for this particular class? So you look into this, like I have several classrooms. Among these, this is the thesis discussion classroom. So a student will copy this code, or you can make it large. So a student can copy this code and paste it here, and then they will click in the join. So student will automatically join to the classroom. So this is the part of student. So now I already sent the uh, add request for the student that in my thesis group. So I will just wait for a while just to check either they're going to join or not. So let me check. So still nobody joined in this classroom. So I already sent them email. So let's see. Once they click the email address, so they can directly come and join the join the video conference. Or if they are using the mobile phone, so that time they need to use the meet.google.com Android apps. So with that apps they can also join. Okay, here I can see one of our student joined. Let me turn on my camera also. I can We can see the streaming. So how about other students? Okay,
Yeah, other students
another
maybe.
student also trying to join, Zakir Hussain. So okay, here I can deny or admit. I can do it admit. So Zakir Hussain already joined. So in this Google Classroom, maybe there is a limitations with the video streaming. Maybe 20, maximum 25 students can join, or 25 participants can join. So in
Yeah.
that case, if it is more than 25, so we can mute our microphone and we can turn off our camera. So in that case, okay, we can join more than 25. So okay, thank you. I think Journal, you can hear me clearly, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if you want to use by phone, so then you need to install the app, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
meet.google.com. So this app you need to install. So anyway, thank you guys for joining, and thank you guys
Okay, sir.
for joining here. So I'm ending the
Okay.
meeting. So if I click here, so it will move to me in the home screen. Okay. So here we can see though they joined in the video conference, but they did not join in the classroom. So that's why either I may send their invitations with their email address. So if they click here, they can also join the classroom, or otherwise they can also join in the course code. So I think it is understandable to you, sir. And if any confusion, let me know, sir. I can explain more. Thank you, sir.